Sa ibang balita, binigyan diin ng mga delegado ng Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation o APEC na nakikiisa ito sa responsible tourism sa isla ng Boracay. Kaya naman tiniyak ng APEC ang paglilinis sa isla kasabay ng ipagdaraos ng ikalawang senior officials meeting doon. Narito ang ulat ni George Bandola.
Hindi man direktang inamin, tila sinabi ni APEC spokesperson Charles Jose na ilang aktibidad dito sa isla ng Boracay ay sinuspinde. Bagamat walang ganong detalye, naniniwala si ASEC Jose na kailangan gawin ito para sa seguridad na rin ng 1,500 delegado ng APEC Senior Officials Meeting.
Is it true that because of the strict security, some island activities including boating, island tours near the Station 1, and late night swimming are temporarily suspended?
Well, I'm not so sure about those, but what I can tell you is that the safety of our delegates is a top priority of the Philippines in hosting APEC here in Boracay as well as in other venues in the Philippines throughout 2015.
Pero naniniwala pa rin si ASEC Jose na para mapalakas ang turismo sa iba't ibang lugar ng Pilipinas kung papaano hinahandle ng mga otoridad ang APEC meetings dito sa Boracay.
There will be other benefits aside from the tourism industry. There are so many allied industries, so many industries, so many businesses that are allied to the tourism. And of course, he has been working very closely with all the local government units. Of course, there will be investment in infrastructure. These are long-term investments which will continue to be there long after the APEC hosting is over in Boracay.
Bahagi ng advokasya ng APEC ang responsible tourism, kaya nakikibahagi daw ang lahat ng mga delegado nito sa paglilinis ng beach area ng Boracay.
Alongside the influx of tourists, we are still conscious of our responsibility towards the environment, and that's why we had a coastal cleanup drive.
Kasama si Joel Mamaril para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, George Bandola.